2 weeks ago, we have a election of our president, and everybody knows the result of current the 2 weeks ago's election. Donald Trump was won the election, and Kamala Harris lose. But indeed, the election is not over. In the AP News, right now, November 19, they said 98.7 of election was reported. So 1.3 of election are reported yet, but we know the answer about the votes. Donald Trump wins. He gained 300 over electoral colleges, and he got 50% of votes. So, but it is there are no disagreement of general people's thoughts because he gained more electoral votes in the election, and he also gained more electoral colleges in the election. But go back to 2016. The president vote between Hillary and Donald Trump, and according to federal election commissions in August 12, 2020, they mentioned that Hillary Clinton gained more than 3 million votes than the Donald Trump gained. So the actual voters, the actual population's citizens, this decision is the president was Hillary Clinton. But Donald Trump was work as a president due to electoral college system. This is that was the negative and called electoral college system. So I will argue about the problem of electoral college system, the cause of why this electoral college system, and the solution about the electoral college system. The problem of electoral system is it's not matched to the actual decision of people. According to National Archives, I accessed in November 11th, the starting of electoral college system is established by founding fathers. In the starting of America, the independence, and the reason why electoral college system is began was is compromise between the election of the president by voting in Congress and voting in qualified population, a citizen, a man. So it's to make a common ground between the thoughts of Congress and thoughts of population, citizens. But it was changed in current America. The decision of electoral college system was almost 300 years ago. So actually, indeed, according to Pew Research Center, in September 25th, in 2024, they said 63% of Americans would prefer the direct votes than the electoral college system. So there are many people who are against the electoral college system. But it is hard to change the voting system right now. The cause of why the current vote system could not be changed is the constitutions and the electoral college system could be ignore minor problems in the election. John M. Samuel, professor of UCF, uh, he mentions why electoral college system cannot be changed in September 16, 2024. Said he said it is not easy to amend the constitutions. So to change the electoral college system, current vote system, the two-thirds of Congress and three-quarters of states of agreement needed to change the voting system. But it is hard to get 66% or 75% of agreement. And indeed, 1968, the senators they decided that they're not going to change their voting system in the Congress. And he also mentions other reason why electoral college system cannot be changed. Second one is vote fraud. The electoral college system ignored the minor vote fraud. There are some examples. So actual happens that some voters uh, disrupt the election place, or stealing the election box. But electoral college system could be ignored those minor errors or minor problems. But there are other causes why electoral college system is bad. According to BBC, November 5th, 2024, the electoral college system can be made some individual voters, which could that feels their votes doesn't matter. And it also appears some phenomenon like too much power reside in the swing states. So these are why electoral college system should be changed, but also why they are not easily changed. So then what can be a solution of those electoral college system? First one is proportional representative system. According to Times, November 10th, 2024, they mentioned the proportional representative system. It means the seats are allocated in proportion to the vote each party received in the vote. So proportional system could be a one solution of electoral college system. And there are one more other argument about the solution. According to Congressional Research Service, June 20th, 2024, they said most of European countries are operating direct votes to elect their representative. So the direct election system would be our answer of the electoral college system. So I was discuss about the problem and the cause and solution of direct electoral college system. And through my arguments, I wish the audience could get information and reason why we should change the electoral college system. To go back to the Hillary and Trump and our decision about president for 10 years. The Americas are divided, an entire world are divided, some far rights or far left, and some polarized arguments appears around us, and they threaten us in the divide of the nation, countries. American voters are tired up with polarization of two-party system, and the change of electoral system, electoral college elections could be an end of those polarization of two parties.